New equity peaks across the board from yesterday's trade. Go over the portfolio calculator and then the trades on the day. Today we're giving some back with losses, with a lot of losses across the board. But these are the results through yesterday, June the 9th, all 77 strategy portfolio. It is up 26K on the month after being up 12K last month at new equity peaks in this run up. And you can go through here and take a look at the results for each of these portfolios with the drop down menu, and we're going to go through each of those. For example, we were not at equity peaks on the 25K, 50K portfolio yesterday, but today, as of June 9th, we are back down again today with some losses. 76.3250 on the month, 37K on the year, and these are the results through June the 9th. I need to type that in here. I didn't update that. These are through June the 9th. And that's a Tuesday. So let's go over the other portfolios. The 200K portfolio had an extended drawdown in May, and it is at equity peaks now. So let's take a look at the results here. It was down 8,500 in May, up 30K in June. Nice results there. And then the stock index portfolio has continued to make equity peaks several days in a row. You take a look at the results, up 22K in the 19 system stock index portfolio. We are up in the 36 system portfolio. It is up at equity peaks again as well, 21K. And then in the 200K portfolio, we already went over that, up 30K. We went over the 25K, 50K portfolio, and you see those. Now let's go down here to we have some kind of one-off extra portfolios that you could trade with All Strategy Access. We'll go over these three real quick. I need to put these next to each other in the list. Plus 12K on this one, coming out of a drawdown on the 100K, and the liquid day trade portfolio is at equity peaks, and so it is up 11.6K on the month. And the SR Counter Trend 234 portfolio coming out of a drawdown as well, plus 7,100. And then we already showed the all 77. Now we're going to go to the micro stock index and gold portfolio. This could also be traded with the minis. Multiply everything by 10 for the minis. And so it is at equity peaks as well. It is up $2,500. And so if you're trading 3 micro contracts, you'll be up $7,500 this month on that alone. And so the annual license for the micro stock index and micro gold portfolio includes 3 contracts. And so those are the results on the on this portfolio set. Let's look at the trades today because we're giving some back with losses. And Cobra 3 E-mini S&P, it is plus 62.50, just hard to short. Just hard to short. And then when we would get long, if there's a steep pullback, then we get stopped out. So some days that happens. Yesterday was a choppy day, but we were in sync with the market based on the ranges. And today we are off. This market could roll over because we're in FOMC. It's an FOMC day. This is a nice short setup. Just hard to short this market. Just relentlessly wants to take out new highs constantly, like no market I've ever seen, I don't think. And so it is down $300 on this trade. Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ has some good potential because we're sitting up here at highs, and so if this rolls over at all, it could be some good potential if the market sells off today. Adaptive moving average is short. It could reverse to long. It had a tough day yesterday, so a lot of the strategies yesterday did well. Adaptive moving average did not. Today it's down 175. Night Trader, one of our favorite strategies, lost today. Got stopped out down here. Not exactly at the lows, and so came down here several times and was stopped out minus 15.25 on that trade. And 60-minute breakout exited minus 562.50. SR Counter Trend 2 V2 1M and 5M minus 825. These were stopped out near the lows. And the 15-minute version hit its profit target plus 475. And then you've all strategy access to AT 2019 plus 75, 60-minute breakout plus 1800 on this trade. And then you have tick count trend NQ plus 575. Those are all the stock index trades in All Strategy Access 1 and 2. We have additional stock index strategies in All Strategy Access 6. We'll go over those in a minute. All Strategy Access 3, there is Cobra Euro 4 minus 337.50. It's the only trade going today in this workspace. All Strategy Access 4. Natural gas finally hit its profit target, and no other trades in this workspace. All Strategy Access 5, no other trades. All Strategy Access 6, ES After Hours, nice trade, plus 475, and then 60-minute breakout with reversals, getting a bit chopped up. Short, long, stopped out, short, stopped out, reversed to long, and so we are now long, and so this would benefit if there's a short covering rally higher. So we have strategies that are long and short, a mix of them today, very choppy FOMC day today, so we will see. This is one of those FOMC meetings that includes the press conference with Jerome Powell afterwards, and you can see a lot of price range and volatility on days like today. So we're looking out for that. It's a midday report for June 9th or June 10th, 2020.